Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how strawberry cake is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
They're clear. Move them to the production area.
Copy that.
The batter is mixed at precise speeds to create the perfect, soft, fluffy texture.
We are seeing a slight fluctuation in the viscosity here.
Understood. Keep monitoring the temperature.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every strawberry cake is carefully inspected before it leaves our facility.